The adventure begins. So, start of a 5-6 hour journey to Cumberlong in ATC, Canberra, for the Blade Symposium, or Knife Camp, as my wife likes to call it. Going to be fun. Going to be down there for a couple of days, and then going to be hanging around with Kev Slattery and a few other mates for the next few days after that. Keep you up to date. Yeah, so if I was excited before, I'm even more excited now. I'm stopped, I'm pulled over, I have my handbrake on and my car out of gear, and I am at the most awesome timber place in the world. I'm in Mittagong. In Mittagong, I love this place. I was literally brought up here. It's like coming home every time. I haven't lived here for 25 years, but I come to Mittagong, feel like I've come home. So I'm going to pick some stuff up on the way to the Symposium. It's going to be fun. And we're here, so Blade Symposium. A little bit excited. Going to go and chat with some of the boys that are already around, hanging about, doing the chatty thing. See what they're doing.
Hey Toby, there's a big possum hanging on the front of your camera there.
Come for my t-shirt.
Here's the man.
Welcome.
How you doing, Andrew? This is the t-shirt
well.
stack.
This t-shirt stack.
Ooh.
Number 2.
Yeah, number 2 on the list. I'm pretty dirty about that. I am pretty sure that I got number 1. And the fact that Riley is running the numbers, he squeezed freaking Bjorn in first. Tell me, is that right?
That's not correct.
You sure?
I'm positive. All the registrations came to me.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh, so I can't even blame Riley.
You can't even blame Riley.
Oh, okay.
I just opened.
The lessons, they begin. This is where the people are starting to accumulate, come together, something. It's going to be good. We're going to listen to Rodrigo first, I think, which is going to be pretty exciting. Here we go. Mr. Rodrigo Sfreddo, please come up and tell us all about the American Placement Society. Oh, by the way, the PAs are brand new. We're still figuring out how to use them, so if we get a little bit of feedback and stuff, I don't want to hear about it in the reviews. Yeah, but blah blah blah.
But blah blah blah. That's a well-reasoned argument.
Yeah, I only wanted also. I just quit the college and went full time.
And you realise you can get rich making knives? So you went
No, never had that illusion.
I don't know anyone who
Oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Oh man, yo, I
Some woods, snake wood, for example, it's very, very hard and break very easily. It's very tricky. So let's be careful with this kind of wood, palm wood, all this kind of very thin wood.
Re-gauging would be similar to that too, probably.
Maybe I don't have experience with this wood. But woods like Comergia family, there's even rosewood, cocobolo, very so ebony, if you don't have any crack in your ebony, it's also the favorite from zero.
damn it, I'm killing, I'm amped, and I slam it alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel like the champion, oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. Y'all lamp, and I'm killing, I'm amped, and I slam it alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel like the champion, oh man, yo, I feel like the champion. I'm feeling like a champ. The champions never settle, I need a trophy.
This place is hectic. Coffee house in Canberra, Australia. But it's pretty awesome.
She put me in the top 10, how I got it in. Something burning inside like I gotta win. And that's what take to be a champ, I swear you not there. Damn it, I'm killing, I'm amped, and I slam it alley, one handed, big bandit. I feel like the champion, oh man, yo, I feel
Oh, hectic as the coffee house, man. Oh, it's good though. What I needed.
like the champion.
Ready for the ballet? Us all dolled up. How you doing? Mm-mm. That concludes my whistle stop tour of Sydney. Meanwhile, in Copper Cumberlong.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our future. Our future. Our future. Our future.
Yo, please hold the applause to the end of the ceremony. Let's go. Look around us, there ain't no fences, just bridges to the ears of the listeners. On deck, take a swing, sharper senses, looking for a weakness in the system. Finally, it's you and me, here shaking like a tambourine. We in this finally, both sides of the cemetery. Attention people, y'all get ready. This is for everybody. Try to catch up. We are here. Let me introduce to you. Try to catch up. That future hit. Are you ready? That future hit. Take a minute to refrain from acting green. If you're losing, you should join another team. Y'all should breathe, let me play another theme. At the start, this one nothing but a dream. Now it feels like victory, about to live another fantasy. Everybody clap with me, we're about to make history. Come on, attention people, y'all get ready. This is fall.
You can see up here I've got the melting point for these metals. So we've got nickel silver is 1060, copper is 1084, and brass, yellow brass this is 930. So I have to keep the temperature below 930.
Do you believe in magic? Here it's automatic. La la la, ooh. Amazing how it's happening. Look here, mom, we made it. La la la, ooh. That future. That future. That future. That future. That future.
That's it. Done. Blade Symposium is over. A few interviews, lots of fun. Everyone's just packed up and ready to leave. But thank you very much, Cuppa Cumberlong, for having us. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Going to hang around at a mate's house for a couple of days and then a long journey home.
I always thought it would be great to have different size contact wheels and things like that. I never really thought it would be possible.
You're right.
Really, you know, at the end of the day.
If you want a ginger beer?
No, I'm good, thank you. This is Andrew Smith, by the way. We love this guy. He runs the show. He literally runs the show. He can walk in any time.